Hi, in this video, I'm gonna show how we can install MySQL server. First, type in Google MySQL installer for Windows. Click this and download this installer. No thanks, just start my download. Click this and after finish download, open the file. Choose developer default. Next. We don't need that. Yes. After finish this, click next, next, next. We don't need to do anything here. Next. Okay. You need to enter a password for MySQL root. So make it simple. I will make root root. You can make any other thing you like. And if you want, you can add a user too. Username in admin admin. Okay. Next, next, and execute. After okay, our installation has been finished. Click this, finish it, and root. Type your password here. Check. That's okay. Next. Root. Click finish. Need that. Okay. Try to connect. Type password here and save this. Okay. See you in the next video.